Hey guys, what's up? Mike from the Premium Review here, and this is just a little update video on pretty much everything. First things first, so I haven't made a video in a while. I know the last video I made was for this, the keyport Spectrum. Still loving my keyport. Another thing is still using my Swift Point mouse. Absolutely loving it still. Still kind of bummed out about the click and the scrolling thing I mentioned in my review. Hopefully they've released a software update on that, but the review for everything will be down below. It's all on my blog. Speaking of my blog, my website is coming. Seeing how they don't really tie together, but they kind of do. Website's currently in the works. We're just doing we got some final touches, and then we're trying to get all the data over to it from my blog over there. Yeah, so that's a little update on that. The next update would be on the Android BBM situation. I'm getting a couple inbox messages and a couple messages on that YouTube video. The BlackBerry Playbook was just released probably about, I want to say like a week and a bit ago. It will have the Android app capability at some point. Right now they're currently dealing with getting the mail onto it and something else. Mail and calendar maybe? I don't know. Which was kind of weird to release without it. I think it was kind of just rushed out. But yeah, so it doesn't have the mail integration. But as soon as you see the mail and the calendar update, look for the Android update. So it can play the Android. But then within the next couple months after that, I would say look for BBM coming to Android. Because there's no way that Android is going to give BlackBerry something to work with and not want anything back. I mean, Google's full of a whole bunch of stuff, but they do want something in exchange. And BBM will be coming. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. A lot of people haven't reported on this. BBM is almost 100% a go. I wish I had a few more details for you, but I really don't have anything else. If I ever date, I'll let you know. So yeah, that was just a little update on that. Sorry that I haven't been doing many videos. I've been trying to keep up with my blog. Updated it every day. A couple of days have been like 2 conjoined days, I don't know, I'll go through it. Like 25th, 26th, 27th, just because there was a couple of days where I've been a little busy with work and didn't have a chance to get around to it. 2 more things. I want you guys to comment on this. I'm looking for a new phone. I'm still stuck with this iPhone. It is running Android, by the way. I'm not sure if I've ever mentioned that. It's got a dual boot operating system, iOS and Android, 2.2. Anyways, looking for your input on what phone and what tablet I should get. Right now, I'm looking at the Samsung Galaxy S2. Amazing phone. 1.2 dual core processor. 4.3-inch screen AMOLED, 1 gig of RAM, either 14 or 32 gigabyte of internal storage, Gorilla Glass TouchWiz 4.0. Not really a big fan on TouchWiz 4.0. Feels really iPhone-y to me, but I mean, it's your preference. I might just run a different boot over top of it. It's got the accelerometer, it's got a gyroscope. I mean, 8 megapixel camera, 2 megapixel front camera. Anything else? Hotspot, and it works on Rogers 3G. So that's a really good thing for me. Another thing is here in Canada, I'll get to the tablet in a second. This just crossed my mind, I want to get it out. That Rogers is developing a 4G network here, and it's said to be about 150 megabits per second, which is blazing fast. I'm glad that we're finally upping the Rogers game. Rogers has had no new Android phones, no new phones, period. They're a big Sony Ericsson fan. They love the Sony Ericsson phones. They're building this network in exchange with Sony Ericsson. So they're going to have the first 150 megabyte per second phone is going to be with Sony Ericsson. I don't understand what the deal is with it, but all I know is that there's going to be a system. It's going to be 150 megabytes. Finally, we're upping our game. Okay, back to the tablet. So I was looking on, where is it? There we go. I was looking on, well, I've heard a rumor, and I found it to be true that pre-orders will be taken for the HTC Flyer Wi-Fi version only, which is really good. I don't need a 3G connection for my tablet. I just run everything through my phone. Rogers allows me to do that. Don't have that installed yet, but I can just do it Wi-Fi tether from my phone to it. So I'm looking at the HTC Flyer Wi-Fi version. It's only available in the US. I mean, I don't have a problem importing it. Just wondering what your guys' take on this. Should I wait for the Galaxy Tab 8.9, which is another one I'm considering? There are also a few more that are coming out. Not too big. I don't want to go bigger than 8.9. I was looking at the Zoom, but it's too big. I want something that I can put in my pocket. So a 7-inch to an 8.9-inch screen is where I want to stay, but I want to know what you guys think about that. If you guys have any questions about anything, let me know. Also, I saw a really good, what is it called? I saw a really good aspiring reviewer, blogger thing by Noah. Noah's an amazing guy. He's just someone I looked up to when I was first starting off. Still look up to him to this day. Be awesome to get to meet him and get some more tips, but amazing video. If you're thinking about doing reviewing, I'll post it down below. Check it out. Really good. I'm glad that he likes to see the industry thrive and not too much stuck on himself. Like, sure, he can get products left, right, and center, but he rather see other people get it to help the industry, to help it grow, which is basically like what we need to do. So this was just a quick little video, quick little update about BBM. But I've mentioned so many things, what phone to get, stuff like that. Do you guys like the Samsung Galaxy S2? Please let me know. If you don't, if you like another phone, let me know. Another phone I was looking at was the HTC Sensation. Also very, very nice phone. Problem is it doesn't work on Rogers 3G bands, which I'm not going to buy a phone without 3G. I need my 3G, and I need to have that data transfer. Yeah, this is my video. Sorry I haven't made one in a little bit. I'm going to try to make a couple over the next week here. Hopefully punch out, hopefully, fingers crossed, one a day. I got a couple things. I got a Android phone that I'm allowed to use. It's actually my mom's. Don't tell her. But I'm going to shoot a couple videos. We're going to do a couple app reviews, a couple cool things with that. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, so I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace out, guys.